Hey beautiful people, I'm Seema Saharan aka Best Woman, and today I'm going to tell you how to make your own Chrome extension. You have already using multiple extensions in your Chrome browser, but have you ever thought of making one? Well, I will tell you the way you can easily build a Chrome extensions by your own in just about 5 minutes. Okay, so I have demonstrated the steps easily in this video, so watch it till the end and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to understand is what is a Chrome extension. A Chrome extension is a software program that customizes the browsing experience. They are built on web technologies like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so Chrome extension is a zipped file with the extension .crx. That is why they are not dependent on the Chrome browser, and they can easily be downloaded and installed on your Chrome browser. The Chrome extensions are distributed through the Chrome Developer Dashboard and are published to Chrome Web Store. So you can easily download them and install them and use them. So this was the basic introduction about Chrome extensions, and let's make one. So to create any Chrome extension, we first need to define a manifest.json file in which all the important information for any Chrome extension will be defined. So I'll just define the name of the extension as demo extension. Separated by a comma, I'll define the version of the extension as 0.0.1. Next is I'll define the description of the extension, that is for demo, comma. Next is the manifest version, that is 2. The last thing we are defining is the browser action. So the browser action will show the extension to the top right corner of your Google Chrome. So under this I am defining two variables called default underscore popup. So I will be using demo.html file. So when I click on that extension, it will pop up the demo.html file. So the next thing I am defining is default underscore icon. So for the default icon, I am using this image called extension icon.png. that is, this image will be the default icon for my extension. And now I'll create the demo.html file. So I'll just keep it simple and I'll just define the h1 tag as demo extension is working. So when I click on the extension, it will pop up this text called demo extension is working. Okay, so the next thing is go to this URL chrome:/extensions, click on load unpacked, locate to the folder in which you have created the manifest.json file, select the folder, and this will be loaded to a local computer. Okay, so I can use the extension as click on that demo extension and it is showing me this. Okay, so our extension is working. So the next thing is, if you want to publish this extension to the Chrome Web Store, so you can go to this URL called chrome.google.com/webstore/devconsole/register and accept the agreement, and you can pay $5 to register the extension. Okay, so that you can upload your extensions. I hope you have learned something out of this tutorial, and if you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you wish to connect with me, all of my social handles are in the description box.